In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and activate your Klarna virtual card. We're keeping things simple and clear so you can quickly find your card details and, if needed, get your virtual card ready for use. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for your card number, expiration date and CVV, and how to activate the card inside the app. First, open the Klarna app on your phone or tablet. Give it a moment to load so everything on the home screen populates. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard and you're good to go. Next, head to the Wallet tab. You'll find this in the app's main navigation, and it's the place that organizes your payment methods and cards. The Wallet view is designed to keep things tidy so you can quickly locate your virtual card without digging through other sections. Once you're in Wallet, select your virtual card. This opens the card details screen where you'll see the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Treat this page like you would a physical card. These are sensitive details that enable payments. If you're using the card for an online checkout, you can copy the number and reference the expiration date and CVV right from here. Take your time and double check the digits before you paste them into a checkout form to avoid declines caused by typos. If you haven't set up the virtual card yet, activate it right in the app. You'll be prompted to choose a color, which simply helps you recognize the card at a glance. Pick the color you like, confirm, and that's it. The card is activated and ready to use. After activation, the card details become available on that same screen, so you can immediately enter them wherever a standard card is accepted online. A quick reminder on safety: only share your card details with trusted merchants and avoid showing the screen in public. When you're finished, navigate away from the details view so the sensitive information isn't displayed longer than necessary. And that's the process. Open the app, go to Wallet, select your virtual card to view the number, expiration and CVV, and if it isn't set up yet, activate it by choosing a color. You now have everything you need to use your Klarna virtual card with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause or replay any section as you follow along.